What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Supposed to get some top liner locks. Hopefully didn't get any Orion knives, not knocking them, but I'm hoping for some Vosteed top liner knives, and that's what I'm looking forward to. Alright, so we're good. We've got them. We've got, okay, first off, we got the Vosteed Raccoon top, well, maybe if I can open it, top liner lock. Now, I've already checked out this one, not this color and everything, color scheme. This is the RSKaos. I do like this thing. Titanium M390, I think, right? Or is it LMAX? Yeah, M390. This is a solid knife. This really is. Like, it's freaking, it's worth every penny. Like, except for that it's no deep carry at all. And this is the one I was probably most excited about. If I can get it out. Good Lord, come out. Yeah, come on, Jandis, get out. Alright, this one is Hedgehog. That's what it's called. Hedgehog. Ooh. I was really excited about this because everybody kept talking about it, doing videos on it. And everybody had to have one. Like, obviously, I like the top liner lock idea. I think it's great. I like them. I like button locks and I like liner locks. Add them together, you got something phenomenal. This thing's pretty dope. Oh, wow. Okay, so you can definitely choke up on this thing. And even, like, if you don't choke up, you still have a little bit of room on there. Even for my, like, I have an average hand, I guess. Small to average. Medium. I don't know. It's around there. I still fit just fine. That's kind of nice. I like that. If you choke up, you can also put your finger on your ramp right there and hold it down. That's, I like this thing. Dude, now I know why everybody was freaking out about it, talking how great it was. This thing's legit feeling. Like, it doesn't, it's tall, very tall, but it does not feel like that in hand. It feels pretty good. That's nice. That's dope. I like that. I like that flipper tab, too. It's very, what I like about it is it's very out of the way. It's slim, small. It's very close to the knife. It hugs the knife, and it works. And you got a little bit of texturing, a little jimping right there for you if you're choking up. Good to go. Jimping's huge. It's huge. It's not bad, though. It really isn't. It feels pretty good, though. Definitely works. Especially for this big old chunker. Got some texturing on the micarta right there. Not bad. I like that they got a filler tab right there on. They know what's up, right? You got a little lanyard hole. Skeletonized a little bit on the inside. And I just love these. These top liner locks. That's so cool. Vosteed Raccoon. Now, I do have plenty of Raccoons. I got 3 of them. There's none of them are top liner lock. Must be that's just making a sound. It's not loose or anything. It just sounds like it's loose when it falls. Huh. There. I know this isn't obviously the same. It's a button lock. This is not a top liner lock, so it's different. So it doesn't. I'm not going to say it's bad or anything like that. I think it's just how it is with the liner lock being, top liner lock. I think that's what it is. Maybe a little KPL or whatever in on the bearings and everything like that will help it out. It just makes us a little ting. And not like the cool ting everybody likes, you know what I mean? It just sounds like it's loose. But obviously this is just a straight up Raccoon. It's not shabby. Not too bad. I like it though. I could do that all day. And obviously I've already done some videos over the RSKaos. This thing is obviously legit. Very nice. I do have sometimes some problems flicking it with my reverse flick, obviously with my middle finger. I've always done better with my index finger, which that's not usually how it works for me with most knives. Usually my index finger gets in the way, but it works perfect for this one. See, it just works. I don't know why. It's weird, right? Slow roll is good. Top, I just like the color scheme on this, like the gold and the black and everything like that. Man, I don't know why I like gold and black now. I don't know why. I used to not like gold at all. Throw it with some black and it's beautiful. I'm just joking, but no, it looks good. I love it. I love the pocket clip, the gold pocket clip, the gold hardware that goes with it. It just looks good. And this is a great functioning knife. I think it is $250. It is a little expensive. It is $250. I think it was Blade HQ. No, I think it was White Mountain Knives. They had a version of this that had like blue, like pivot rings and stuff like that, and it was also LMAX. I'm not quite. I think it was White Mountain Knives. I wanted it. I was gonna get it, but they went out of stock. So I was like, well, crap. And I also like kind of never looked again. You know, I get other stuff in between. So, but and then like what was it? The Warncliffe and the Sheep's Foot. Like they looked. I always get them mixed up because they look just about exactly the same. I couldn't tell you which this is, to be honest with you right now. I want to say Warncliffe, but I'm not for sure. I think the Sheep's Foot is a little more rounded right there, obviously. Not quite sure. But I do, this is a great knife. Like, wherever you want to put your finger, your thumb at, like, you want to put your, choke up, put your hand right here, you got jimping right. If I can get it on screen, my bad. You have jimping right here, and you have jimping up here. Perfect, either way. And if you want your hand back a little bit right here, you just put your thumb right there, you got jimping, and then you're right there. So you got these places right there. That's what I like. It's cool. Go that extra mile. Put a little extra on there. It just looks good. And so does this Hedgehog, man. I'm telling you. They have a black blade with aluminum a black blade with an orange aluminum handle. It was on Vosteed. I actually checked the other day. They were out of stock, so I was like, well, that sucks. Because I don't know why black and orange Halloween. I gotta collect. I gotta get them. Like, I want this right here. I just can't, though, because I gotta save some money up. I also got this one right here, so that's also what's kind of keeping me. But I'm like, oh, I gotta get my top liner lock, though. Now, if they had like like the backspacers, whatever, if they had those like orange, like I would have gotten it. I wouldn't have cared. I would have gotten it. But it's close. Close. I like that, though. I love this thing. It's a great knife. Great knife. But these are some solid knives. I really like this. This is probably my favorite one out of all these. And I know it's obviously quite a bit different in price from these two. But this thing's solid. I like it. Vosteed's popping some stuff off. Y'all need to check it out before they're all gone. They're doing a great job with stuff lately. And I'm very impressed. Like, they're just great. They're doing a great job. That's all I really got. If you have any comments, questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Thanks.